Hello everybody, it's Dean Beat Technique and I'm back again with another beatbox tutorial. Okay, this time I don't actually know the correct beatbox term for this, but it's this sound. I don't know if it's called like a siren or like a laser sound, I'm not sure, but I'm going to teach you how to do it. Okay, so first thing I do, I put my front two teeth on my bottom lip, but I'm not going to like push down too hard, right? They're just like resting, okay? So, and then through my nose, I'm going to make this high, it's a certain tone you do like through your nose, like a nasal tone, to go like, if I went, it wouldn't get the vibration, right? It's all about vibration, picking up vibration. So if I went, and then I put my teeth back on my lip, still actually down there, still picking up the vibration, but that tone is the best one to start on, I find anyway. Yeah, just experiment, like move, like take the pressure on and off, change the tone, and like eventually you'll get this like weird tickly vibrating feeling on your teeth and your lips. Then you can have this one. Don't hit your throat too hard, which I did when I first started out many years ago. I'm only finding like this little pocket, but you're like, if I went, I also do this cool like violin, like the like I'm really cold, shivering. Cool. The next one is, I learned this sound like years and years, like 10 years ago plus. I learned it in the car, it just came to me, then I forgot I did it there because I didn't record it at the time. It is this sound. It's like a vibration, but like not like your teeth, it's on like your lips, right? I do it, I know some people go like, I do it like this, right? I go, it's like as if I'm taking air into my mouth that I'm breathing in, right? I'm trying to think, my tongue touches the top of my mouth and then it goes to the back of my throat, creates that like negative pressure and draws air in. Then I make the mouth like as if I was going to do a little whistle. I go. Like I say, experiment with the shape of your mouth. Vocalize. I'm going to move it in till I get that vibration. So the norm is just like that. And a. Change the shape of your. Thank you very much everybody. Please comment and let me know what else you want to learn. Teach me some stuff, that would be awesome. Everyone stay positive, like and subscribe the video, and I'll catch you all soon. Thank you very much.